Okay, guys, look what we found ourselves, an Impala. Oh, yeah. Now, this isn't one with switches in it for the hydraulic three-wheel motion and side to side and front and back. No, this one here is the low rider version, or maybe a standard version with stick shift and power. This is a 409 in here. And yeah, it's right here on the badging. 409. So yeah, this thing's got more than enough pick 'em up and go. Yeah, this is a very clean one right here. It's dual exhaust, SS Impala. Nice 6.4. Very nice, clean 6.4. And the thing about it, man, is when you look in here, you see how immaculately clean it is. From the dash all the way across, you see your 4-speed shifter. Back seats, clean. Believe me when I tell you they're clean. Headliner, let's go back and look. Headliner's clean. You know, this thing is well kept. And if you're in the market for one of these Chevy 6.4 Impalas, Super Sport, it's sitting here at Gateway Classic Cars. We're gonna go down the side here and get the back end side. And as you see the other tip, this thing is very clean on both sides, man. Even the trunk lid, I see no damage, no hail dimps, no nothing. Rock damage, no scratch paint. And if we look back here, you see the other side of the rear end. This thing's clean, man. This thing's clean. It's a winner. It is a winner. And as you look at the roof, very clean. Hard to beat something like this, baby. Very clean. Looking in on it, passenger view. Look at the dash. You know, down to the carpet, to the floor. Swinging it back around. Look at that. Seats and everything, man. As I said, the headliner is very nice. Very clean. You can't beat that, man. And we're going to look at the information board. 63,409. As you guys see the price. If you're in the market for one, this one is sitting here at Gateway Classic Cars. And let's go back. If you all are interested, only if you're interested, or you just like the video because of the car, hey, man, have fun with that. But if you're a serious buyer and you want to contact them, I will leave a number for this car so you can contact the Gateway Classic Cars. Later, guys.